Meaning of freewheeling.
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 Freewheeling. The term freewheeling refers to a situation where someone is acting without any restraint or control, often in a carefree or reckless manner. It can also refer to an object that continues to move even when no force is being applied to it. This term is commonly used to describe someone who is living a life free of constraints and responsibilities or engaging in conduct that is unstructured and without rules. In essence, freewheeling implies a lack of direction or purpose, and an unwillingness to conform to established norms or expectations.